welcome to Country Silo Farm. I'm Brittany, and today we are going to be talking about nutrition for our rabbits. So here on our homestead we do use rabbit pellets. Rabbit pellets are designed to be a complete meal for a rabbit. That's not to say that it's the only thing that we give our rabbits. So for our breeder rabbits, we give each of our breeder rabbits a half a cup of rabbit pellets. And when our does are pregnant, 2 weeks before they kit, we do up that half a cup to a full cup. And they eat that full cup until their babies are about 3 weeks old, when they start eating the rabbit pellets too. Then we give them 2 cups depending on the litter size. So for Ginger here, she had 8, but she ended up losing 1, so we have 7 kits. We give her and her babies a full 2 cups, and we also give them fresh foliage. So what that is on our homestead is like wild dock, the common mallow, dandelion weeds, just stuff that we can find around here that is kind of big and easy to pick that they can eat. So when the weather's not so nice and it's more like fall and everything's dying or it's like snowing outside, since we live here in Idaho, we get tons of snow, we give our rabbits hay. Now, the best type of hay that you can give your rabbits is Timothy hay. But I can tell you right now, we don't give our animals Timothy hay just because it's expensive when we can find it. So we just give them what we can find, like brome hay, alfalfa hay. Something that we are giving our other animals is what we give on our homestead. So for our tractor grow outs, their main source of food for their diet is the grass. We do offer rabbit pellets as a free choice feed. So we do fill up their feeder full of rabbit pellets so they can choose to eat it if they want to. But for the bulk of their diet, it is the pasture grass that we rotate them out on. So for these rabbit tractors, we will be moving them every day. It not only gives them a fresh spot to graze, but it's also a cleaner environment, so that way they aren't eating the foliage that they went to the bathroom on. We wouldn't do it, so we don't want our animals to do it. So I was watching a video with Joel Salatin and Dr. Maricola, I think that's how you say his name, but they were discussing about the ratios of the grazing pattern. So for rabbits will actually consume 75 to 85% grass and only 15 to 25% of actual feed. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like, they also discussed like chickens, how they were only eating 15% grass. Turkeys, I think they said 40% grass, and pigs 45%. I'll link that video in the description box above. Well, I think that's it for this video. If you're new to rabbits or want to get into meat rabbits, be sure to check out our other videos. I'll link that in the cards above. Before you go, hit that subscribe button. We'd sure appreciate it. Leave me a comment in the comments below and share this video with family and friends. Until next time on the farm, see y'all later.